Hello students, now I am going to explain another topic of chapter 14 in the science, light, shadows and reflection. So, second thing, shadows. So what is shadow? What is shadow? You know that transparent objects allow the light to pass through them, but opaque object cannot light pass through them. So when an opaque object is placed in the path of light, a dark patch of the same shape is formed on the opposite side of the object on the screen, which is generally a wall or a ground. This dark patch is called shadow. Shadow always black in color, and if translucent objects are placed in the path of light, then shadows are formed, but they are faint. Unlike the dark shadows formed by the opaque objects, transparent objects do not form shadow as they allow the light to pass through them completely. Okay, so characteristics of shadow. The size of the shadow depend on the distance of the source of light from the object. Okay, and if an object moves closer to the source of light, then the shadow grow bigger, while if an object moves away from the light source, then the shadow becomes smaller. In the morning and evening, the shadows are longer than the noon, because sunlight is slanting, falls on the earth, morning and evening. But noon time, your shadows is formed short, because sunlight is our overhead on the head, and a screen is essential for the formation of a shadow. A screen is something which is opaque. As light falls on the object placed in the front of a screen, a shadow of the object is formed on the screen. Shadows are always formed on the opposite side to the source of light, and shadow formed by the sunlight keeps changing in size from morning to afternoon till the evening. Okay, so what is need to form shadow? So three things need to form shadow. First of all, source of light. Second thing, opaque object. And third, screen, like wall, ground and any opaque object. Okay, shadows are always black irrespective of the color of the opaque object. Shadows not depend the color of the object. I already told, shadow always black in color. Shadow formed always black in color. Okay.